workshop is beyond my expectation. I expected the level camp or the workshop to be just the regular workshop in which we are just exploring our possible careers, but turns out it's way more than that. My most favorite part is when we were asked to actually create the career canvas. It helps me a lot. It allows me to actually discover myself a little bit more, and I think it would be helpful when I feel anxious and overthink about my future, because that way through the career canvas, I think it will allow me to plan out, to organize my thoughts so that I can have a clearer focus rather than being anxious.
I think overall, the Passion Up team did a really good job, and my favorite part is when we present and our mentor Katata review one by one. There is a personal, what do you call it, like personal interactions between the mentor and also the students, and I think it's really good.
How I felt in this activity. Before this, I haven't fully thought about my future career, but so this would benefit me in the future.
I feel like I found my passion and path, and I feel blessed because like I realized that I have so many ability, and I feel excited and confident about my future, and also I learned how to improve myself. And my plan for my future is study hard, hone my skills, and do something that can increase my ability and value.
I'm not sure about what I expected for this workshop, so I just accepted what it was for, and I found it useful. So it was nice, and it was a great experience too. I learned a lot from today, so thank you.
I did. I learned a lot about my friends. Like I didn't expect that they were aiming for a career in that specific area. Yeah, I learned a lot about both myself and my friends.
I really glad to have this session because I can really see that I have a group of awesome people with big dreams. Like, oh my God, see architect, doctors, computer specialists, surgeon, businessman, right? So I agree with you, Miss. Everything starts with a dream. Yes, it is. So with having the goal already in mind, I hope it can really help them to prepare the pathway to that goal. I'm so happy to see this. I'm so happy. I take notes everything, so it's really makes me proud. I mean, I've been with them in grade 10 and seeing how they are actually now ready to take a leap into a great profession is really nice actually. So personally, I really get a benefit from this session also. So thank you to the Passion Up as well.
Yes, I definitely learned something. I think the activities were fun earlier. I learned to be detailed in planning for the future. Yeah, I started asking myself questions that I haven't asked before. So yeah.